good, people? I'm back with another video. It's the first time this brand is on my channel, and yeah, it's funny when I put a brand the first time on my channel. It's not the first time I've actually bought the trainers. Yeah, I was gonna say I've given it away, but you've clicked on the video. It's not a clickbait title, so you know why you're here. But before I get into it, make sure you like, comment, share, subscribe. Tell a friend to subscribe. Tell everyone to listen. The more subscribers we have, the more videos I can make. So if you like these videos, subscribe and like so I can make more. Do you get me? Because I could get bored one day and say I don't want to make videos anymore. Yeah, I'm already bored. No, I'm joking. So, Maison Margiela, Paris. I like that. That logo is different because I haven't seen any other brand with a logo with just a bunch of numbers on it and then circled the number that circles. So this is a Maison Margiela 22 sneaker, so the 22 is circled. Amazing. Oh man, I'm opening the box. Sizing 44, which is a 10. It says 10 there, it says 44 there. The reason I went for a 10 is because I have actually tried these on in-store, so Selfridges, and I know my size that way. It's very hard for me to tell people how to wear things so true to size, etc., because my shoe size is very, very weird. So for example, I wear a 9, 9.5 and a 10. So this is a 10, so this is my bigger shoe size. So if you're like me and have a bigger shoe size, just size up, I guess, because they are kind of tight. I have a friend who has these and he's just true to size, so I really can't say. So I'd say check in store or go half size up. If you feel like going a whole size up and you don't mind, go a whole size up. Let's get into the trainers now. Now these, you might think, I thought, let me give these a go. Because I really like paint details. What I actually wanted was a paint splatter type. I wanted a few different ones, but I bought a pair of jeans that really look good. And these trainers, suit the jeans. So with Margielas, I really like the simplicity. These were, kind of greyish color. So I do have this greyish color. So it just literally looks like they got this grey color and just dipped the shoe in paint or just covered it in paint, because it is literally painted. Like, I don't think there's a way to do this design without actually covering it in paint. So I think the more I wear it, it will... Oh, that's a cool idea. I just remembered now. So say I wear it a bit. So look, if you pay attention to this, I'm really ruining my shoes to show people. So the paint will kind of start giving way, splitting kind of thing. And so it might just start, peeling away in different bits, like this, for example, and just kind of being unique. So it'll be unique to the wearer. So however I walk, whatever I do, it will kind of come off. What I did with the laces, they factory lace is, the lace like this. So just loop, loop, loop. I hate that. I absolutely hate that. Whoever does that lace, I really hate it. Please stop doing it. So this lace I've done, like a Nike style, X under and then just X, 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 X. Yeah, so crisscross, and then out. And I'd actually wear them like this. And the reason being I'll wear them like this is because they have you know, it's like a stitched in thing, so you can literally slip these on. So you don't even need to have laces if you want to go for a laceless look. I hate the laceless look, I'm not going to lie. But yeah, it does say replica inside. So these are Maison Margiela replica. They are not a replica pair. The name is replica, and it says why they are replica in there. So it says reproduction of found garments of varying sources and periods. So the style description is men's sports shoes, and then it says lambskin and calf split, which is the original, where they're from Austria, shout out Austria, and the period 70s. So these were actually they're also known as GAT, which is German Army Trainer. I'm not too sure about the full detail. I do know if you do search GAT, this type of stuff, these type of trainers come up. So they're called Maison Margiela Replica, Maison Margiela GAT, and yeah, Adidas also have a variant like this, but I couldn't bring myself to wear Adidas trainers that were just kind of after these. So it's kind of like the fakes or the replica version, even though this is literally says replica. So I thought the Maison Margielas, I actually wanted these years ago. I tried them on in Selfridges before and I just passed on them. So I was more into Giuseppe and Buscemi and Balenciaga. Now I'm kind of not into Balenciaga, not into Buscemi, not into Giuseppe. I still wear them, but I'm not buying more, if that makes sense. So I just thought, I've wanted these, let me buy these. And I will most likely get somebody to do like paint splatters on the front just to kind of make these a bit more exciting. So that's kind of why I bought them, because it's, a plain type of, it's like a canvas. These are my canvas, so I'm gonna get someone to put some paint splatters on them, and hopefully they'll be very nice, and they will be a one of one. And plus, I haven't seen anyone really wear Margiela trainers in real life or Instagram or any of that stuff. So they are, I wouldn't say unique, because I do know people do own them, but I haven't really seen people wear them. So it's a bit different. It's not hype, which I really like. I hate hype trainers. And yeah, um, the way I'd wear these, you kind of have to wear these with like neutral colors and neutral tones, which is funny. The first time ever, I'm not saying black jeans, grey jeans. You can wear these with really light grey jeans, but even then, I wouldn't. I have a pair of jeans which is like a paint, literally this color jeans, which is so weird. So the jeans, I luckily have found a pair of jeans. What was funny is I actually found a pair of jeans first, and then luckily found the trainers to match, because, well, the jeans you can kind of wear with white trainers, but I thought, I need something a bit more, you know, wow, but not wow to others, wow to myself. And yeah, it's the best kind of match I could find. So I'll just kind of scoot this there, and boom. On camera it looks a bit different. Worn, I tried it on yesterday. It looks kind of better. So these jeans have this type of paint, just like that. They look quite good on the bottom of them. What's funny is now seeing them under this light, it looks a bit different. So I'll still wear them with these jeans, but they do look quite different. But I do have to say they do match nicely. I can also wear these with like beige, brown, neutral tone shorts, and I will be wearing them with the laces undone, because I just think they look good like that. But yeah, this turned into a fashion review type of video really quickly. So thank you people for watching. Make sure you like, comment, share, subscribe. Oh yeah, on foot video to follow, because I'm going to show you what they look like under the jeans with these trainers. Take care, people.